Hello nurses, you watching Scientific Medical Nurse YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to discuss about RGUHS Applied Physiology most important questions updated video for 2026-27. 100% questions will be coming from this video only. So as you can see the proof as my previous important question video at right this time frame, you can check I was listed these questions and these questions has appeared in RGUHS exam. As you can check the question paper and its date and video uploaded date. All of my predicted questions has appeared in exam. So this time also my predicted questions will be coming 100% in RGUHS exam. So without delay, let's start the video. So firstly, let me introduce myself, Pradeep Unison. I am a BSc Nursing graduated and currently working nursing tutor in one of the RGUHS affiliated college in Bangalore. With my 2 years of experience, I can predict or guess what type of questions will be asked in upcoming RGUHS BSc Nursing exam. So based on RGUHS previous data, previous question papers, and as of best of my knowledge, I have prepared and listed this all RGUHS applied physiology important questions on unit wise. To get RGUHS applied anatomy 2026 updated important questions video and RGUHS nursing solved question papers and RGUHS nursing exam tips and tricks for BSc nursing first sem students, and all of these BSc nursing first sem videos you can watch with the link in the description. So now the physiology important questions are listed based on unit wise and based on 10 marks, 5 marks and 2 marks questions. So firstly we have long essay part unit wise questions. After this short essay, short answers, and lastly I also prepared MCQ important questions. So watch this video. So watch this video completely without skipping. Skipping this video can directly affect your scoring marks in exam. So watch this video without skipping, and also don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also visit my official website to get all BSc nursing notes and study materials and solved question papers for free with high quality handwritten notes and solved question papers. So don't forget to visit my website dedicated only for you guys, that is nursing students. You can access all of the study materials completely free so that you can study well and score good marks in your exams, and our nursing field can become a most well educated and professional course in the world. Keep watching this video without skipping single question, because skipping single question can affect your scoring marks in your exams. 100% question will be coming from this video only, so watch it completely without even missing single question. Okay.
So just say it now, baby.